In today's class, we will be learning the topic, gears. A gear is a wheel with teeth around its rim that mesh with the teeth of another wheel to transmit motion. When two gears mesh, one is the driver and the other becomes the driven. A gear is a driver gear because the power to drive the system is generated by it, while the other is the driven because it is only being driven, and does not produce the power/energy. Types of gear. Spur gears, they are used for transmitting drive between parallel shafts. Bevel gears, these are used for transmitting power/drive between shafts at angles. Rack and pinion gears, these gears are used for converting rotary motion of the pinion to linear motion of the rack. Helical gears, these gears can transmit motion and power between either parallel or right angle shafts. Worm gears, these gears operate silently and smoothly. They can be used for reducing speed and increasing torque. Lubrication of gears. Lubrication is the application of oily or greasy substance to machine parts in order to reduce friction. The substance applied, such as oil or grease, is called lubricant. Uses of gear. Gears are used to transmit power from one shaft to another. They are used to change the speed of shafts to either high or low speed. They also change the running direction of a shaft. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.